Are you baking your bacon, or are you still burning your hands cooking at stovetop and wasting stovetop space? Let me teach you the perfect way to cook your bacon right now. You can set up your bacon on a pan like this, or like this. I like to use a pan like this. When it cooks, the fat drips through. Then we're gonna peel the bacon apart and lay it on the pan. Next step is preheating your oven to 400. Quick check at halftime. And you can spin it so that everything gets cooked even. Home stretch now, guys. If you like it a little bit limp, now's your time. There it is. Baked bacon. This is the piece I want. Do you want some bacon? Go bake your own bacon. Stay crafty in the kitchen. That's delicious.